Do you find managing your time efficiently in business a constant struggle? Are you looking for effective ways to maximize productivity while minimizing time wastage? Want to learn how to organize your day for optimal business efficiency? If you're seeking answers to any of those three questions, you're in the right place. Hi, this is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some key strategies for effectively managing your time to boost your business efficiency. And always remember, it's about working smarter, not harder, to achieve your business goals. Here are the 5 strategies that we will talk about in this video. First, prioritize your tasks. Second, set realistic goals and deadlines. Third, minimize distractions. Fourth, use time management tools. And 5, regularly review and adjust your schedule. Now, did you find anything interesting among those 5 strategies? I hope you did. So let's talk about them one by one. First, prioritize your tasks. Start by prioritizing your tasks. You see, not all tasks contribute equally to your business goals. Prioritizing helps you focus on what's truly important. To do this, let's use the Eisenhower Box or a similar method to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. What does this mean? Well, list down the tasks that you have to work on in a 4-column table. In the first column, put in the tasks. Let's assume that you have written down 10 tasks. In the second column, prioritize according to urgency, where the most urgent is number 1. This column will have the numbers 1 to 10 in different orders, according to how urgent it is. In the third column, it will also contain the numbers from 1 to 10, but this time you prioritize the tasks according to importance. How do you determine importance? Well, one way is to determine which can give you the most benefit. For example, if it's a business concern, then what will give you the biggest sales or profit or save you the most time or money? Another way is the opposite. Which one will cause you the most trouble if it is left undone? You can do that as well. Let's go to the last column. After doing the first 3 columns, then let's go to the 4th column. To get each number in the 4th column, what you need to do is to multiply the urgency number in that row by the importance number in the same row. After you multiply them, you look for the smallest number in this row. And this is the one with the highest priority. So tackle the high priority tasks first. And then when you're done, go to the next higher number and the next one and then the next one until you finish all of them. So just like Rebecca, one of my mentees who runs an RTW store, she began prioritizing client projects over administrative work. And when that happened, her productivity soared. She started delegating lower priority tasks, which also allowed her to focus on more significant revenue generating activities. Is this something that you can implement? Yes? Okay, thank you. Now let's go to strategy number 2. Set realistic goals and deadlines. So why should we even bother with goals and most especially with deadlines? Well, setting achievable goals and clear deadlines will help keep you focused and keep you on track. Without these, you would easily get distracted by other tasks that are not going to produce the best results for you. Your goal is to break down large projects into smaller tasks with specific deadlines. And all these are important, but make sure that you are also realistic about what you can achieve in a given time frame. Just like Jana. Jana's business is a small IT firm. She implemented a system of setting weekly goals for each of her team members. And this approach helped them manage time more effectively and meet project deadlines consistently. So notice what Jana did. Not only did her business have a weekly goal, she even broke down each of these goals and distributed them to each member of the team. After all, it is the team members who will deliver the results, right? Strategy number 3 now, minimize distractions. As you actively work, there will be lots of distractions, right? So it's important to be aware of them and minimize them. This is because distractions can significantly hamper your productivity by slowing you down and reducing your output. To identify common distractions in your work environment and take steps to reduce them include turning off unnecessary notifications, setting specific times for checking emails, or creating a dedicated workspace. Marie, the owner of a marketing agency, realized that social media was a major distraction for her. By limiting her social media use to specific times of the day, she was able to concentrate better and complete tasks more efficiently. Eliminating distractions is very important, right? So be sure to do that right away. Strategy number 4, use time management tools. Time management tools can help you organize your tasks and manage your time more effectively. Don't be afraid to explore tools like digital calendars, task management apps, or time tracking software to plan and monitor how you spend your time. There's so many free ones that you don't even have to spend a single centavo. So just like Eva, a freelance graphic designer who started using a task management app to organize her projects. It helped her keep track of deadlines and manage her workload more effectively, increasing her overall productivity. I'm sure you can be at least as productive as Eva, right? Okay, the last one is strategy number 5. Regularly review and adjust your schedule. Remember that your goals are not cast in stone because business needs and priorities can change. So there is a big need to regularly review your priorities so you can adapt and stay on course towards business success. And this is how to do this. At the end of each week, review your schedule and accomplishments. Adjust your planning for the next week based on what worked and what didn't. Just like Greta. At Weta's Landscaping, her team would review their schedules every Friday. This allowed them to reflect on their efficiency and make necessary adjustments for the following week. By doing this, they were able to continually improve their time management. Effectively managing your time is key to enhancing business efficiency and achieving your goals. Like the people and businesses mentioned earlier in this video, you can implement these strategies to make the most out of your workday. Remember, time is one of your most valuable assets in business. If you're looking for more tips on time management and productivity, and if you want to know why I put quotations over time management, make sure to sign up for my free newsletter using the link below. Let's master the art of time management together. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep reaching for your dreams. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy.